Hit up everyone, doing eBay box break 160 11-12 Ultimate Collection. Here's your last team auctioned off. Good luck to everyone. Let's see what we got. Serial number. First up, we got base for the Ottawa Senators, Jason Spezza out of $3.99. Next, rookie for the New York Rangers, Stu Bickle out of $3.99. Decoy, redemption. And for the Winnipeg Jets, dual jersey out of $200, Mark Scheifele. Nice. And here we got NHL Ultimate Signatures for the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. Nice. Well, thanks everyone for joining. See you next time.